Welcome back. In this class, you will learn how to use video telephony products for video communications. With the help of technology, you can now meet people in different locations without having to travel to those locations. There are so many companies providing such services like Zoom, Google Meets, Teams, and many more. For this course, we'll be using Zoom as an example. How to set up a Zoom meeting on a Zoom app. 1. To create a Zoom meeting, you must have downloaded the Zoom app from Google Play Store or the iOS and create your Zoom account by using the valid Google email address to get started. 2. Open the Zoom app. To create a meeting, click on the schedule icon on the Zoom app. 3. Enter your meeting details. For example, the name of the meeting, the date, and the duration of the meeting. 4. Enable personal meeting ID. This could be a 10-digit number and enable the meeting passcode. And note that only users who have this meeting link can join the meeting. 5. Enable host video on and participant video on. Once enabled, click Done. 6. To share the link, click on Copy Clipboard. Copy the meeting link and share it with whoever you would like to. I believe by now you can now set up a Zoom meeting. With this, we have come to the end of this class. See you in the next class.